In this video, I will walk you through the steps required to completely uninstall Avast from your Windows computer. Before we begin, if you're looking to improve your online privacy and security, I recommend checking out NordVPN. You can try it at a great price using the link in the description, and it comes with a risk-free money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose. Begin by opening the Settings menu by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, then typing and selecting the Settings app. From the panel on the left, select Apps and then click on Installed Apps. Scroll through the list of applications until you find Avast Antivirus. If you prefer a quicker method, you may use the search bar at the top and type Avast to locate it more easily. Once you have found Avast Free Antivirus, click on the 3 horizontal dots next to the application name. From the options that appear, select Uninstall and then confirm your choice by clicking Uninstall again. A pop-up window will open and guide you through the removal process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions by clicking the Uninstall button. You may be prompted to choose a reason for uninstalling the software. You can select any option you wish or skip this step and continue by clicking the Uninstall button at the bottom. When a system confirmation message appears, click Yes to approve the action. The uninstallation process will then begin, and you should allow a few moments for it to complete. After the process finishes, Avast Antivirus will be fully removed from your computer. To ensure that all changes are applied correctly, you will need to restart your PC. You may restart immediately or choose to do so later at your convenience. That completes the process. Don't forget to check out NordVPN using the link in the description to get a great deal backed by their money-back guarantee.